I started racing when I was 6 years old, and I'm now 24, so pretty much a good majority of my life I've been doing it, and it's just all I've ever wanted.
You're going to witness a tremendous amount of desire and passion and emotion and all of the components that make a competitive, very talented athlete who and what they are. When the stakes rise, you'll see some situations that are interesting to say the least. But those are things that that we welcome as a team. We are a thick-skinned bunch and prepared to deal with anything that a season can dish out.
To go racing, and now Mike Brown goes into the history books.